Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious paneer gravy. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering the cooking process. You'll learn the secrets to achieving that perfect restaurant-quality texture and rich flavor. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this incredible dish. It's simpler than you think to create a truly authentic and satisfying meal right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh paneer, cut into bite-sized cubes. For the base, prepare 2 medium onions, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a few green chilies. Don't forget fresh ginger and garlic paste, along with your favorite aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric. A touch of fresh cream will add richness, making your gravy truly irresistible. Now, let's get cooking. Start by sautéing your finely chopped onions in a pan with a little oil until they turn golden brown. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in the tomato puree and cook until the oil begins to separate from the mixture. Then, add your chosen spices, the paneer cubes, and a generous splash of cream, simmering gently for 5 minutes. To finish, garnish your rich paneer gravy with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for an aromatic touch. Serve it hot with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or your favorite flatbread. This dish is perfect for any occasion, offering a comforting and flavorful experience. For more great deals and to find the link for the Echo Dot smart speaker, make sure to check the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home and enjoy your favorite music while cooking up delicious meals like this one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.